Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to thank the press forum, and secondly, my warm greetings to all the women on this auspicious occasion of International Women's Day. When we speak about the importance of women, that is so huge that we cannot compare. Because without the power of women, life is not possible in this world. So, I would like to speak on this special occasion that deprivation to the women, it is in a large area. But to overcome this deprivation and inequality, it is in this 21st century, it is up to the legislator, it is the modern political will which has to be taken care of. Apart from that, several laws for the protection of women, several rights and privileges for the women has been given, but due to our social irresponsibility, women has been keeping behind the track of deprivation. So in coming days, Assam is also one of the states where women has been deprived. In every alternative days, women has been gang raped, women has been murdered, women has been raped. All these things has been not a new thing. So in coming days, we have to come together to tackle this injustice to the women, because it is up to us to draw Assam as a better state in future. So I request and my appeal to all the civil society and also the women to come up and speak out their grievances in all the proper platform so that their grievances can be addressed in a proper way. So I won't speak long. I'm very thankful to the organizer and also to all the guests, chief guests, invited guests, guests of honor, and to all the women for bringing this auspicious day, a great day. Thank you. Thank you so much.